Demystifying the phrase, add in. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into a commonly used English phrase, add in. By the end, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it confidently in your conversations. Add in can be viewed as a combination of two words. 1. Add, which means to include or put together with something else. 2. In, which often refers to incorporating something into another thing. So, when we say, add in, we're usually talking about including or incorporating something into a larger group, mixture, or collection. For example, when making a smoothie, you can add in some spinach for extra nutrients. In this sentence, add in suggests incorporating spinach into the mix of ingredients for the smoothie. In cooking, it's common to use add in when describing the addition of ingredients. First, melt the chocolate, then add in the nuts and stir. In technology, sometimes, software allows users to include extra features or components. With this software, you can add in a new module for better functionality. In conversations, when contributing to a discussion or a plan, add in can be used. I'd like to add in my thoughts on the topic. You might be wondering, why not just use add? What's the difference? Well, while they can often be used interchangeably, add in emphasizes the act of incorporation. Consider, add the salt, versus add in the salt. Both sentences are instructing to include salt, but the latter emphasizes the action of incorporating it into the mix. Understanding phrases like add in can truly enhance your English speaking abilities. I hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find it natural to add in this phrase into your daily conversations. Remember, English is all about practice and immersion. Happy learning!